In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to fix not receiving DeepSeek sign-up code. Easy and simple. Make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to fix this problem because it's super easy, okay? So here is what you will do. First, you need to open your account in your laptop like this. Go to your laptop and open your account like this, DeepSeek account like this, okay? And this will be your home page, and click here on my profile and click on contact us, okay, like this. And here you go. So let me show you. You will see this bar like this, and what you will need to do next is you will contact DeepSeek customer support, and they will help you to sign up to your account, okay? So what you will do, you will click here on contact support and click choose this option, cannot sign up, like this, and they will get back to you, okay? This is an automate message. You need to send your message here and explain your problem that you cannot get your sign up code to sign up to your account, and they will help you, and they will send your code here that you can use to sign up to your account. It's super easy and simple. This is the only solution that you guys can use, is to contact customer support. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.